Angron, sometimes called the Red Angel and originally named Angronius of Nucia, the Lord of the Red Sands, is the Primarch of the World Eaters Traitor Legion. He was the most bloody-handed and savage of the Primarchs. When Horus began his rebellion against the Emperor, Angron was quickly to join in his treachery because of his long-lasting grudge against the Master of Mankind, for the Emperor's failure to rescue his beloved fellow gladiators from death on Nucia. But his only true master was the rage and bloodlust within him. He fell to chaos during the Horus Heresy and was transformed into a demon prince of the blood god Khorne, in the campaign known as the Shadow Crusade, before that conflict had ended. He was most recently banished to the Warp after he unleashed the first War of Armageddon upon the Imperium of Man in 474.M41, though since the opening of the Great Rift in the Era Indomitus, rumours have swirled that he is active once more in real space. Come build, collect and play. Check out your local Warhammer store for more.